So there are two hydrogen atoms HA and HB which are connected via a covalent bond. Now if we consider the number of electrostatic forces existing between these two hydrogen atoms in hydrogen molecule, what are they? First, this is the nucleus of HA, this is the nucleus of HB, this is an electron of HA, this is one electron of HB. Of course there are no more electrons in HA and HB. Now first attractive force will be between the nucleus of HA and the electron of HB. I repeat, first attractive force between the nucleus of HA and the electron of HB. Second attractive force between the nucleus of HB and the electron of HA. Third will be repulsive force between electron of HA and electron of HB. These two are attractive forces. This is repulsive force. Next electrostatic force will be repulsion between nucleus of HA and nucleus of HB. Of course, these two are repulsive forces. So these are basically the four forces that act between hydrogen atom HA and hydrogen atom HB. Experimentally, children, it has been found that the attractive forces, newer attractive forces develop. When do they develop? See, children, first we had hydrogen atom HA where there was the nucleus and there was an electron. I forgot to discuss two more attractive forces. What are the two more attractive forces? Number 5, attractive force between nucleus of HA and electron of HA. There will also exist an attractive force between the nucleus and the electron of the same atom, and also attractive force between nucleus of HB and electron of HB. These are also attractive forces. So basically there are 6 forces acting on this molecule. Now experimentally it has been found that when HA atom was all alone, only these two attractive forces were under play. But when HA was approached by HB in order to form a bond, there are new attractive and repulsive forces being formed.